Want to stand out from the crowd and create gaming content that really resonates with viewers? This video dives into the hottest new trends shaping the future of gaming videos, from immersive storytelling to interactive experiences. Trend 1. Interactive experiences. Live streams? They're no longer just games, they're events. The line between player and viewer? Gone. Games are dropping built-in recording tools, streamer modes, viewer-triggered actions. It's made for content now. And with AR and VR in the mix, it's no longer about watching, it's about entering the game. Trend 2. Storytelling is king. Forget kill streaks. What's the story behind the boss fight? Gamers are turning into digital directors, from docu-style breakdowns to emotional arcs. It's Netflix-level narratives in controller hands. Shorts, Reels, TikTok's creators are packing full arcs into 60 seconds. And collabs? They're going cinematic. Gamers teaming with animators, musicians, writers to create universes that go beyond gameplay. Trend 3. Community equals currency. Streamers aren't just playing, they're leading. Building Discord cults, hosting community wars, running IRL meetups, charity tournaments to real talk Discord hangouts. This isn't just fan service, it's foundation building. And the OGs? Mentoring the new wave. Collabs, shoutouts, open doors. It's creators raising creators. Trend 4. The future tech stack. AI is cutting your edit time in half. Web3 is changing how you get paid. And your audience? Getting algorithmically personalized content tailored to their every mood? In the metaverse? You're not a channel, you're a universe. Gaming content in 2025 isn't about trends, it's about evolution. If you're not adapting, you're erasing yourself. So tell me, are you playing the game? Or are you rewriting the rules?